Assalamu alaikum everyone. Hope you all are doing well. Now let's start the next session of the trigonometry, that is trigonometric table. Now there always being a issue that how to memorize trigonometric table, because there being all 3 6 ratios and then after the certain degree angles to relate to that you must be known well about the correct value. So there being a certain step to remember the trigonometric ratios. Now let's have a look on. As in a trigonometric, you are knowing that a very important triangle is being the right angle triangle. In the right angle triangle, you are knowing well that one angle is being as a 90 degree, and if you are dealing with the trigonometry, the another angle will in general going to consider as theta. Just standing on the theta, the segment you can see what I label it as A will be the opposite to the theta. In the same way, the B will going to be adjacent to the theta, and well sure due to this 90, H will be the hypotenuse. And you are knowing that there being 6 ratios as sine, cos, yes correct, sec, tan, cot, cosec. Have a look on the same. So here we are knowing sine theta is equal to opposite upon hypotenuse. Here is the theta, so the sine theta will be opposite upon hypotenuse. Cosec theta is nothing but the reciprocal of the sine theta. That is what sine goes as opposite upon hypo, so the cosec goes as hypo upon opposite. Moving to the next, that is cos theta. Cos theta, get to your theta, cos theta is nothing but adjacent upon hypotenuse. Adjacent upon hypotenuse, again the same way, sec is the reciprocal of the cos, so the going to be just reciprocal as hypotenuse upon adjacent. Now the last one, that is tan theta. Get to your theta in the diagram, theta that follows as opposite upon hypotenuse. Again the same way, cot will be just the reciprocal of the tan, that is adjacent upon opposite. This we had seen in the previous session. So let's move further as that how to remember this. For this you can use the mnemonics as Swachhata. You can relate it as S sine is equal to opposite upon hypo, opposite upon hypo. Next is cos, also known as cosine, is equal to adjacent upon hypotenuse. And the next one, tangent, that is tan, opposite upon adjacent. If you are remembering about, if you are well thorough with these 3 terms, that is sine, cos, tan, it is very convenient to have the rest 3, that is cosec, sec and the cot. After this, you must also be known about this relation as tan theta is equal to sine theta upon cos theta, sec theta is equal to 1 upon cos theta, cosec theta is equal to 1 upon sine theta, cot theta is equal to 1 upon tan. Theta. Move further. Now let's have a look on your trigonometric table. It should be tabulated in the form as sine theta, cos theta, tan theta, opposite of sine that is cosec, opposite of cos that is sec, opposite of tan that is cot, and following with the angles as 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree. Now let's have a look how to fill this table. For filling this table, firstly let's write as 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then after divide each number by 4. How it will appear? It will appear like this. After dividing it, as just have a look on, 0 divided by 4 will be 0 itself, 1 upon 4 is 4, 2 upon 4 is nothing but 1 upon 2. 3 upon 4 will be as it is. 4 upon 4 is equal to 1. Next, get to have the square root of all. While having a square root, what will happen? This 0 square root will be 0. 1 upon 4 square root, that is 1 upon 2 square root, will going to get as 1 upon root 2. 2 upon 1 upon 1 upon 2, 2 upon 4, that is 2 ones are 2 twos are, this will going to be get as 1 upon root 2. Here 3 upon 2, that is root 3 upon 2, and this is 4. Let's follow the same. So 0, 1 upon 2, 1 upon root 2, root 3 upon 2, and 1. We'll copy that values in the first column of our trigonometric table as follows. Clear about? Now sign is done. After copying the sign, what the thing you have to do is that just start from the number 1 and start copying the number as 1, root 3 upon 2, 1 upon root 2, 1 upon 2, and 0. As so, it will appear as clear. Means we had to, where we ended, the way we started again. Now moving towards the tan theta. Tan theta is nothing but sine upon cos theta, means dividing these two rows, each number with the another one, each number with the another one. Whatever division answer will come, will going to give you the value of the tan theta. That is 0 upon 1 will be what? 0. Always remember 0 upon 1 is 0, whereas 1 upon 0 is nothing but undefined, that is infinity. Here 1 upon 2, root 3 upon 2, this 2 and this 2 will going to get cancelled and it will be considered as 1 upon root 3. Same way here both the upon numbers are same, so the root 2 and root 2 will get cancelled and the answer will be 1 upon 1, that is 1. Here 2 with the 2 will get cancelled, root 3 upon 1, that is root 3. And here the thing 1 upon 0, that cannot be calculated, is an infinity thing, that is we can have it as a undefined, cannot be defined. That let's have the next, that is tan theta will be appear as 0, 1 upon root 3, 1 root 3, and not defined. After doing this, if you had understood this much, that's very with this that much is well done. That now the thing is just as simple as that you have to just reciprocal the things, as sine is the reciprocal of the cosec or the cosec is the reciprocal of the sine. So by following that we can have it just the reciprocal of the sine column to have the value of the cosec. So what will be the reciprocal of the 0? That is 1 upon 0. 1 upon 0 is nothing but not defined. Then reciprocal of 1 upon 2, matlab 1 upon 2 ka ulta is 2. 1 upon root 2 ka ulta is root 2. Root 3 upon 2 ka ulta is 2 root 3. And 1 upon 1 ka ulta is nothing but 1. Your table will going to appear as cosec ka column will follow as not defined 2, root 2, 2 upon root 2, and 1. Now get to the sec. For the sec, have again the opposite of the same, that is 1 upon 1, root 3 upon 2, 1 upon root 2, 1 upon 2, and 0. And even for the sec, if you will match with the cosec, it is also following in the another way as where you ended. Again the same you have to start. And then after get to your cot. For the cot, again follow the reciprocal session, that is 1 upon 0 not defined, 1 upon root 3 ulta kar denge ise bhi, root 3 upon 1, that is root 3, 1 upon 1 is 1, again 1 upon root 3 upon 1, so the ulta will going to be get as root 3, and not defined means here it was 1 upon 0, so 0 upon 1 will be 0. So have a look on the final look of the table. Clear about? Now have a practice of the same. Try to make it once by your own self, so to have the confidence to make the table without stain. See you all soon, bacha. Thank you.